Is there a way to exit the other thread based on the value returned from another thread in Python? I have 3 threads, main, T1, T2. T1 and T2 are spawned from main. There is a while loop in T2 in which some processing is happening. T2 consumes a bool variable set by T1. I want that the control to exit the while loop in T2 as soon as T1 sets the bool variable to true. T1. T2. I am checking for q.get in T2, but that is not solving the problem as I want the control to skip the rest of the lines in the loop if, let's say, the value of flag is set to true by T1 somewhere when control in T2 is inside the while loop. Is there a way to achieve this?
You can use event objects from threading. You'll need to set an event object in your main method and use it as argument. And your threading logic should be something like this. T1. T2. Here's another real, non-pseudo example. Not flag yet, not flag yet, not flag yet, got flag. Hope that's helpful and clear.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.